Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air compressors that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Metabo HPT 8-gallon EC305SM. Metabo HPT's Tank series. Air compressors offer higher performance than other models in the same class. The lineup's 8-gallon EC315SM has the best balance of portability and performance I've seen and can handle nearly any construction application. Light enough for one person to transport, yet strong enough for a 3-nailer framing crew or 5-nailer trim crew, it delivers an impressive amount of air for its size. It doesn't get into the air delivery range for most painting, sanding, and other applications that require high CFMs, but those aren't the jobs you'd expect this kind of compressor to handle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the California Air Tools 1-gallon 1P1060S. When you're shopping for a small air compressor, most can only deliver 1 CFM or less at 90 PSI. While this compact class is never going to challenge the performance you get by stepping up to larger, stronger hot dog and pancake models, California Air Tools wasn't content to simply match the rest of the market. Their 1P1060S and full roll cage version 1P1060SP can deliver 1.2 CFM. That might not seem like a big difference, but it's 20% more air than other top models competing in this class. The top pressure is a little lower than the 125 PSI we often see, but at 120 PSI max, it's unlikely to affect what tools and applications you use it for. At number 3, we have the Metabo HPT 36V 2-gallon EC36DIQ4. Metabo HPT's 36V EC36DIQ4 raises the bar in performance compared to other battery-powered options, and it easily earns the title of Best Cordless Air Compressor. Metabo HPT earns the win partly because of CFM delivery that pushes higher than Milwaukee's M18 fuel and DeWalt's 60V Max. What seals the deal is that it can run on AC power, giving you the option of unlimited runtime when it's convenient and cordless operation when there's no power nearby. At number 2, we have the Makita 5.2-gallon Mac 5200. Makita makes excellent air compressors with super quiet small options and high-performance big bore models. The Mac 5200 Big Bore is one to keep an eye on for construction crews. There are some cool features like integrated tool hangers and onboard accessory storage, but the big deal is the performance. With 6.5 CFM at 90 PSI, it can confidently run a pair of framing nailers, or you can add a splitter and run 3 or 4 finish nailers on trim jobs. Plus, its highly portable trolley design is easy for one person to manage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus air compressor. Our research showed that customers who gave this product a positive review were impressed with its compact, versatile design and its quick air buildup. Others commented on how easy it was to use. However, there were others who claimed this air compressor lacked power even for small jobs, while others claimed it was overly loud. It fills its small tank super fast, and when it's full, it fills my tires just as fast as my old big tank. When it's depleted, you have to give it a minute though. So overall, if you have to fill very deflated tires, it will be longer than shop air, but faster than most portable compressors. Much faster. For my purposes, it's perfection. Rob Briniak via Amazon. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.